Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Aircela, a machine that claims to whip up real gasoline straight from thin air. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. In May 2025, Aircela introduced its first working model on a Manhattan rooftop, claiming it to be the world's first machine that produces usable gasoline straight from air. The live demo featured a real nozzle setup similar to those at gas stations. How it supposedly works. The system captures about 10 kilograms of carbon dioxide, or I don't know, CO2, from the air daily, then combines it with hydrogen generated through water electrolysis to produce around 1 gallon of clean, sulfur free gasoline per day. The machine, about the size of a refrigerator, can store up to 17 gallons and is designed to be scalable, whether for personal or commercial use. Aircela hasn't disclosed how much electricity is needed to produce each gallon or what the unit will cost, only stating that affordability is a goal, with mass production possibly starting by late 2025. Experts on Reddit are skeptical, questioning the energy efficiency and feasibility of the claims, especially without independent testing. Even supporters acknowledge that the machine's current output is too low for typical vehicle use, and its environmental benefit depends entirely on using clean, renewable energy. So, is air Sala legit or a scam? The chemistry is real, synthetic e fuels already exist, but the machine is still a prototype in need of peer reviewed data. Until we see hard numbers on energy input, cost per gallon, and third party performance tests, the bold marketing feels ahead of the science. Call it promising but unproven rather than an outright scam. Curious early developers should wait for verified results or be ready to pay premium electricity for a trickle of boutique gasoline. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.